fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 2nd of July. Once again, nice and quiet here. We need some rain around here, and just maybe we'll get some before this 4th of July weekend is over. We'll look out the window this morning with the sky cam shots, and it looks awfully nice. That's the view coming from Clanton and Chilton County, looking back to the east, getting ready for a nice sunrise. And, of course, we all know the days are gradually getting shorter now. We are past the solstice. There's a look at the Tennessee River coming from the sky cam in Morgan County and Decatur. And from Jasper, that's the view from the King Building, looking back over toward that eastern horizon. Really a nice trough over the east. It's been awfully cool up around the Great Lakes in New England. And that, of course, has been sending down some very dry air. That's the reason for the lack of rain here over the past several days. Here's a look at the temperatures. Look at all the 50s up there around the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. That feels awfully good, just like fall. Down here, mostly 60s on the board, but we'll warm up quickly. We'll be up in the 90s again today, and the air's dry, so mostly sunny. The active storms well to the north, slight risk of severe weather around New York City and Boston, and then up there in the northern Rockies and the high plains. Tomorrow, a slight risk, again across the middle of the nation, and on day 3, which is Saturday, that slight risk getting closer down into Tennessee, and by golly, on day 4, which is Sunday, a slight risk of severe weather for about the northern third of Alabama. Something about Sundays, we have seen a lot of active weather here this year. In terms of rain, the heaviest rain should be over the northern third of the state, and the amounts taper off as you go down south. This is valid through Monday evening of next week, and I think we could see more than that, as we should see a definite ramp up in the number of showers and storms by Sunday and Monday of next week. And the tropics still are relatively inactive. We note that big mass of convection down there in the Bay of Campeche, but that is very close to land and should not develop. And again, we don't expect any tropical storm trouble for the 4th of July weekend. In case you're beach-bound, weather down there should be just fine. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. And again, we got a trough over the east, very dry air in place. Sunny with low and mid-90s today. Mid-90s probably over West Alabama, low 90s elsewhere. Tomorrow, the weather still looks awfully dry. We've taken out any chance of rain in the forecast, just gone with mostly sunny, very similar to today. And even Saturday continues to trend dry. So, again, we'll just kind of back down on the chance of rain Saturday and mention only a small chance of a shower late in the day. But if this is right, there will be no rain at all. But Sunday, we will bring back a chance of scattered showers and storms. A surface low develops over Tulsa, and moist air is back. And then Monday of next week, look at that nice short wave showing up, rotating through here. And if that is right, that could be a relatively wet day with scattered to maybe numerous showers and storms. And again, because of the increase in clouds and showers, we think highs Sunday and Monday could slip back into the upper 80s on both of those days. Tuesday, a surface front eases into extreme North Alabama, if this is right, and this is suggesting the weather would be wet from basically Cullman south. And then Wednesday, the model has the front drifting down toward Clanton with dry air over North Alabama. And again, you know, it's one of those I'll believe it when I see it things. But if that's right, the better chance would be over South Alabama, and the same thing on Thursday of next week. We'll peek at the end of the forecast on July the 17th. Interesting look there. Instead of that really hot look, that's kind of a strong upper low that's sitting over Pittsburgh. And if that's the case, the weather wouldn't be all that hot. I mean, it's always hot in July, but not as hot as it could be. But like other features we have seen, more than likely that might be gone on the next run. You know how that goes. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so here today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.